Guys, the Attorney General's office here in New Hampshire is now advising the Secretary of State, who oversees our state's elections, on that complicated eligibility question. The legal experts we spoke with say we're in uncharted territory here, and that means there's a lot of question marks hanging over how this debate could play out. Now, the 14th Amendment, along with several others, were passed in the wake of the U.S. Civil War. It was designed to prevent members of the Confederacy from ever holding public office again. The legal scholar we spoke with tells us it's meant to bar anyone who's taken an oath of office and engaged in an insurrection against the country from holding public office. He says there are two very big question marks at the center of this debate. What happened on January 26th? Was it considered an insurrection? And if any, what was the role President Donald Trump played at the time?
What does insurrection mean? And what does one have to do to be involved in an insurrection and thus subject to the bar of this particular provision? There's not a lot of developed case law on either of those questions.
And again, the Secretary of State's office says they have not taken any action on that question yet, but they are taking it seriously. That's why they are now working with the Attorney General's office, who is reviewing all of those legal questions surrounding the former president's eligibility. The legal expert we spoke with also says this would likely come down to the courts, and expect if any state would take action to keep the former president off the ballot, that would quickly end up in front of the U.S. Supreme Court. Live in Concord, Ross Ketchke, WMUR News 9.